Hello, my name is José Humberto, and this is my presentation for the Effective Presentation Workshops subject Evidence 3. Okay, so first of all, what is a TED Talk? A TED Talk is basically a presentation or a talk where an individual explains something that they really understand. And this kind of talk became popular thanks to the TED Corporation, which is a corporation that hosts conferences of people trying to give other people new ideas and new ideas in general. So yeah, I'm going to do a TED Talk about a topic that I'm going to show you in this instant. My final project for the Android developer app and Android app development class. So first of all, the starting date of that subject was on August, but I started my final project on September, uh, at the end of September. So yeah, I've been working on that project since almost all the semester. The tools that I used were Android Studio in my computer to use an Android phone simulator, and the delivery date was 2nd of September, just yesterday. So yeah, who am I working with? For my project, I had to look for a business that I needed to work with to build a presentation to fulfill their needs. Now, the first steps of this project were, as I said before, to find a business to work with, which was uh, a hardware store of a neighbor from my neighborhood. I also had to make a low fidelity diagram for the first homework for the project, and also some splash, which are like how the application is going to look when it's finished. So I'm going to show you those. Here is my low fidelity diagram, which is just like a prototype of the app. And here you can see the login app, which can take you to the main menu, to a screen where you can create a user. You can create products to see on the list and the descriptions, and the same with the clients. And now these are the splash. This is how the app was supposed to look like by the end of the semester. And well, I'm going to explain you what the application was supposed to be about. It was for a hardware store called Comercializadora Ferretera Central. And some of the functions that I needed to implement were login with your email and with a password, the ability to create a user, to recover the password, also to create a list of clients, a list of products which you can modify and see their descriptions, and well, also to log out of the app and to get a notification if a product is almost over in the storage. And well, the last function was to send emails to the clients that you registered. Now, I had to work with a database which where I use my SQLite on Android Studio, where I created 3 tables to work with. One for products, to save in there the product list with name, quantity, uh, price, stuff like that, and also a table with clients with their name, phone, email, and stuff like that, and also the users just with their name and their password, and also the email. So yeah, that's what I use. Some extra tools that I had to use on Android Studio were recycle views, which are basically the square kind of list that you can find in stuff like Messenger or WhatsApp, where you have your contacts. Instead of using the contacts, instead of using it like for contacts, I use it for a list of products and clients. I also use search views, which are just search bars to look into the lists. scroll views, which are just to swipe and move stuff. And I also connected the project to Firebase to use the authentication system to, well, connect to the email and send emails to recover the password and to send stuff to the clients. Well, here's what the final product looked like. You can see here this really big spider, but I will try to explain to you. First, you start here in the login screen where you can create a user and you can also recover the password. Then you log in to the main menu where you can create a client, see the client list. You could also from the client list go to the description, and to modify, then you could press the email icon to send an email to that client. In the main menu, you could also log out from your user, and you could also create a product just as with the clients. You can create a product, see it on the list, see the description, and you could be able to modify it. Now, my conclusion for this is that please, I want to pass the subject because that project was 45% of the final grade for that subject. So yeah, I did pass, but the professor still hasn't up, uploaded all the grades. So yeah, I'm still looking out for that. Now, uh, for the topics, I had to research about topic 1 and 3. Topic 1 was basically recommendations on how to build a good presentation and how to be a good presenter. And topic 3 was about communication, the different types of communication, and how you could use communication to be a good presenter. Now, topic 11 was about tricks you could use to make a good presentation, like the uses of images, text, graphs, stuff like that, to give a good presentation to your sub to your subject. And well, topic 13 was also about communication, but more about how to use your voice, like the volume, your tone, and different types of stuff that you could use to give different senses to your information. And well, topic 14 was just about how to take notes and the different techniques that you could use to take notes, use those notes to help you in the presentation. And well, the last topic was about ethos, logos, and pathos, where ethos is how you ethically connect with your audience. Logos is how you use logic to present arguments that make you connect with the audience and the audience with you. And pathos on connect with the audience's emotions. So yeah, that was all the subjects, and thank you for watching.